rejuvenate these lips. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I thought because we are in March, my God, I can't believe we're in March already. The year is already flying. So I thought that we do a green smoky eye. About 3 weeks ago, I want to say, I went to Ulta and I picked up Jaclyn Hill's Dark Magic palette. And I'm so excited. I've been like waiting for the perfect moment to actually dabble with these colors. I mean, look at that. Look how gorgeous those greens are. I'm so in love. So I thought that it would be the perfect time, since, you know, St. Patty's Day is right around the corner, to just dabble with these greens. And yeah, so with that being said, as always, grab yourselves a snack or grab your tools and let's get started. Grab yourself a what? Going in with that Morphe eyelid primer to get my eyes nice and prepped. Then going in with e.l.f.'s 16-hour Camo Concealer. And I'm just going to outline underneath the brows. I'm connecting them to just ensure that my brows are perfectly even. Using this BH Cosmetics brush, I am going to spray it and then just blend out. Using JH33 brush, I'm going to dip it into the color Shhh. It's this real pretty brown transitioning color. It's like the perfect transitioning color. And then I actually switched to using the JH30 brush just so that I can go up a little bit more, and then I kind of brought that down to the sides of my nose so that I can contour. Going in with M330 brush and dipping it into the color called Potion. You want to start off with very little product on your brush and just build your way up till you get the desired color. And then I went back in with that JH30 brush, dipped it back into that transitioning color to keep blending and fading. Going in with that M330 brush, dipping it into the color Inside Job, and I'm just gonna create a V on the outer corner and kind of smoke that out. Then I grabbed the JH32 brush, dipped it into the color Potion, and blended in between the darker green and the brown to just keep blending that out. I'm going to keep going back and forth with the color Potion and the color Shhh, just to keep blending and ensuring that there's no kind of lines. Going in with that JH43 brush, and I'm just going to carve out using concealer and then dipping in the color Diversion using the brush JH42. Applying that color Diversion on top of the part where you put concealer. Carving out with the concealer again using that JH43 brush so that I can make that color Diversion really pop. And again, grabbing that M330 brush, dipping it into the color Inside Job and smoking it inward, and using also the color Trickery. And then I just went back using any of the old brushes just to kind of smoke out anything out, make sure that there's no lines. Going in with the M431 brush and dipping it into the color Poof, and I'm just gonna put that on the brow bone. Now using JH40 brush, dipping it into that transition color, Shhh, and I'm really gonna smoke that out under the waterline. It's really funny saying the name of this color. It's like I'm telling you guys to shush. And just make sure that you just keep on packing on the color until you reach that desired color. Using M432 brush and dipping it into the color inside job, and I'm gonna really press that against the outer waterline, not on top of the waterline, but like the outer edge, and kind of like wing that out to really make that outer corner of the top shadow part really nice and sharp and precise. And then I went in and grabbed that JH39 brush, dipped it in potion, and really kind of blended and meshed the two colors together, inside job and potion. And then I went right back in with the JH40 brush and the color inside job, and really smoked out and emphasized that green. Then I sprayed my M431 brush with my Morphe setting mist, just so that I can make the color Poof really pop out in the inner eye corner. And I really couldn't get this color to like really pop. It is a very pretty color for the brow bone. So I instead went in with the Anastasia highlighter because I really wanted my inner corner to just really pop out and draw that attention towards my eyes. And that's it, guys. Just adding some highlighter to give it that finished look. And of course, I'm breaking out with a pimple right there. Why? Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I absolutely loved this palette. I'm sure there'll be plenty of times where I go back to this palette. I absolutely loved it. Like, this blue is absolutely amazing. I just wanted to swatch. I mean, look at that. It's beautiful. Like, every color in this palette is like to die for. Like, I'm just in love. I keep making a mess. Jabbing my nails into this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I do. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below any other videos you guys would like to see. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Until next time, stay blessed.